What's up and welcome to Give Knokom Baby channel. Today we're going to talk about how to make money by driving people around, delivering food and many more. So let's start with driving people around. If you need to get $100 first and you own a car, driving people around is in your spare time can be a great way of earning the extra cash you need in no time. The best companies to sign up with are Uber, Lyft. You need to consider car depreciation and the money you are spending on gas. But if you are clever about the trips you accept to do and don't drive too far for pickup, you'll be able to make extra $100 in a day. Deliver food. If you're sharing a car with strategies isn't for you, and you'd much rather share a burger and some fries or a pizza, then delivering food might be the best option. There are some great companies out there that will help you earn some extra cash on the side by delivering food in your free time, in the evening or the weekends. For example, you can sign up for Postmates for free in just a few minutes. There are no fees or time commitments for you to take home 100% of what you earn every time you complete a delivery. You can get paid free weekly deposits, or you can cash out instant anytime you want. All you need is a smartphone to download the app and select your first delivery. Deliver for Amazon. Another way to make money is to make deliveries. For Amazon Flex, you can make between $18 to $25 per hour, which means you could make $100 a day by simply working 4 hours. But how does it work? You pick up packages from one of their Amazon facilities or businesses, download an app that gives you the quickest delivery route to follow and deliver the packages. You can set the times you can work and build your schedule around your needs. There are opportunities 7 days a day, 7 days a week, so it doesn't really matter when you are free. Want to learn how to make money? Sign up for more on below here. Monetize your passion for art. Some people say you should keep your passion separate from your job. I disagree. I do what I love every day and couldn't be happier. I do what I love every day and couldn't be happier. There is nothing better than waking up and looking forward and starting your day because you are passionate about what you do. Whether you want to transform your love for art into a full-time job or simply use it to make some extra cash on the side, I have options for you. You can use your artwork to sell things like t-shirts, mugs, printed canvases, using a service like Printify, or sell your art on specialized websites like Art Finder, or even create your own shop with Shopify. If you want to find out more about how to make money selling art, Corey and Sarah have lots of free resources to learn just for that. Get paid to shop. How about Cashback for any online shopping you do? Fetch Rewards is an incredible app that you can get money for shopping. While I am saying this, it has over 268,000 reviews in the Apple Store and a score of 4.8 stars and over 43,000 votes on Google Play Store, and 4.3 stars. How to make money? How many other cashback apps do you know with these stellar reviews? With Fetch Rewards, you simply scan any grocery receipt after you shop and save on thousands of popular products throughout the store. Earn points on every receipt you scan, no clipping coupons, chasing down expiry deals, or missing out on savings. Just shop, scan and save. Yes, it's easy, just like that. Download Fetch Rewards by clicking on the buttons, and if you enter the code Fetch3K, you will get a complimentary 3,000 points. That's the equivalent of $3 that you can cash in straight away using the rewards. Rakuten $10 bonus if you sign up here. It's a great app. You can download it for free. And with over 2,000 stores to choose from, you'll be able to make some extra money every month. Depending on what you want to buy every month, you might be able to get anything between 2 to 7% of your money back without much effort. To earn money with the Rakuten, you just need to follow some simple steps. Go to Rakuten website or open the app, select the store you need to shop from, buy whatever you are planning to buy as normal, get cashback. Test websites and apps. If you are kind of the person that loves leaving reviews and sharing your opinion on new ads, products or websites, website owners and apps developers need to know what visitors think when they visit their site or use their apps for the first time. The main job of a tester is to use sites like apps, and apps are easy to use and navigate. All you need is a good internet connection and a laptop. Website usertesting.com pays you $10 per test via PayPal. Each test usually takes around 20 minutes. That's work out to a possible $30 an hour. Not bad for surfing the internet. Another great website is Beta Testing here. You get $10 to $25 per test. Simply sign up, add some little details about you and which device you own, which is essential as each test will need to be performed on a specific device, and then you can start testing away. Get paid to write. There are thousands of pieces of new content created online every day. Not all business owners have time to create content for their website themselves. If you enjoy writing, you'll be able to sell your skills and become a freelance writer in no time. You find freelance writing jobs on websites like FlexJobs, ProBlogger, JobBoard, Freelance Writing Gigs, Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour. People are looking for writers for blogs, posts, articles, and generic website content. It's better if you specialize in a niche, as you will have examples of work you can send to potential clients. Learn how Laura, Leslie, Greg, Samantha have followed their dreams of becoming freelance writers. They are now making between $4K to $15K a month, working from all around the world, and they had an experience when they started. Start your own blog. As I said, over the years, I played with different ideas to make money online, and I still do. But starting a blog has been far the best investment of my time. There are several ways to earn money blogging. You can create your own product and sell them to your readers. You can make money with advertising or affiliate marketing, just to name a few. You won't need much money to start. You just need to pay for hosting, and you'll have to invest your money, but you'll be able to make well over $100 a day if you follow my simple steps to making money blogging. I made $3,878 a month after 3 months of working part-time on my blog with no previous experience in writing. That was all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.